Good afternoon, it's Jim at Thunderbolt Locks, and I'm here today to show you an installation that we just completed on a 2023 Ford Transit Connect. This vehicle is a service vehicle, and it does have a bulkhead that separates the front and rear compartments. So we've installed 3 of our M1 locks on each sliding side door and also the rear door. The M1 lock is controlled by the factory remote control so that when the driver locks the vehicle, it will in turn lock the Thunderbolts also. So as you can see, we've located the lock case in the lower passenger rear door. Our manual release knob is located in this upper panel, and our housing is vertically located at this portion of the door. We do have templates available for this vehicle, so you can print the templates and find the exact location necessary to drill the hole for the housing itself. We've also installed the backer plates on the housing, and what that does is it will sandwich the housing and the metal together to reinforce this lock once it's installed in this door. The bolt, when it activates, will strike into this raised strike bracket that is located on the driver's rear door. And so once these doors are closed, this bolt will activate, and it will again strike right into the raised bracket on the opposing door. On the side door, we've located the lock midway in the door. We've attached the lock case directly to this center support in the door. So we removed the case cover. We riveted the back case right to this center support, reinstalled the front cover, and we're able to route our manual release knob, and we keep that to the rear of the door so that somebody can't reach through the bulkhead and access that easily. We've installed the housing for the sliding door. It's located on the back edge of the sliding door. We've mounted the lock housing horizontally to give it more strength, and we've also included the backer plate to reinforce the thin metal that comes on some of these doors. The bolt will activate and strike into the C-pillar, and the trim plate that we put on for that locates the hole for the bolt. If you have any questions, contact us at thunderboltlocks.com.